Here's a comparison between Hume Band and Polar Loop. Hume Band is more on tracking your emotional distress or your emotional stress. So this is actually good if you're doing an activity and how the activity can actually affect the stress that you have. As you can see, it is actually good use for the wrist because this is just like any other watch band that you can use to track your health, also your energy. On the other hand, Polar Loop is a screen-free wearable health band and fitness tracker. So unlike the Hume band that has a screen, this one is just like a simple strap that you can wear on your own. As you can see, you can go ahead and track your eat, sleep, and your work activities on the Polar Loop. Now, here is a table for a concise comparison between the Polar Loop as well as the Home Band. So go ahead and let's start first on how it works both ways, its key strength as well as the main focus of the two. So let's start first for the Home Band. So the main focus of Home Band is stress monitoring and the key strength is AI emotional insights. And for the Polar Loop, its main focus is the activity tracking and the key strength is accurate heart rate. So if you're looking for a device that can actually go ahead and track your stress and emotional insight, you can go ahead and purchase Humiband. For activity tracking, you can go ahead and purchase Polar Loop.